Hey, what is good everyone, Chris here, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about my invention. No, there is no invention, it's just something that I came up with yesterday when I was trying to shoot some footage for my future videos. And this is amazing how our minds work and how creative we can be only by thinking of what you're doing in that very moment, and realize that whatever you're using can be used differently and create something new. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a video rig out of two small items, two gadgets that probably everyone has in the house, but if you don't, you can buy them for 15 bucks on Amazon or somewhere else. This is a ball head, a small ball head that you can mount on top of your camera for vlogging, for video lights or something like that. Most of the video lights fixtures that they're coming for vlogging, they have one of these in the pack, so if you bought one, you probably already have one. And this one is a smartphone holder for tripods, also has these brass threads, and I advise you to buy one that has metal threads as well, because it's gonna help a lot being a little bit more sturdier and solid for whatever we're gonna do. Now we have to put this on top of the ball head and tighten it up. And then the only requirement that I have, and the only requirement that you need to be able to use this rig, is to have a camera that has a hot shoe or even a cold shoe, but nonetheless something that you has a life of his own. Just my inventions. So yeah, like I said, you need a cold shoe or a hot shoe so you can attach the mount on top of it, and that's it. This is your rig. This will help you create beautiful footage, zoom ins, zoom outs, easy pans without having the shake of your hand, holding the camera and bracing yourself, also holding your breath can create a little bit of a shake, even if the camera has a image stabilization sensor. It's not gonna be perfect, but this small thing will definitely help you create smoother footage. And if you have an image stabilization in the lens or in the camera, it's gonna be even better. So try and see if you can do it. Also, because we have a ball head, we can turn this sideways and create handles just like other companies who are making huge camera rigs and camera cages for videographers. This one is a DIY, and I believe that you'll enjoy it more because you don't have to pay much. And if you're not shooting professional videos every day, if you just want to use it for your b-rolls or your family shots, like I said, this will help a lot smoothen the footage and look a little bit more professional. Nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope this video helped you become a better videographer or starting into videography, because it's not easy with all the money that you have to invest. I think this one will save a little bit. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't already, for videos like this and more that are coming up. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'm happy that the community grows. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to always be notified when I'm putting videos up, and I will definitely see you in a bit.